How to fix printer paper jam issue. 1. Turn off the printer. This prevents further damage and ensures safety during the process. 2. Open printer panels. Access the paper path by opening the main cover or specific panel where the paper feeds. 3. Gently remove jammed paper. Slowly pull out the paper in the direction it normally moves to avoid tearing. 4. Check for small bits of paper. Look for and remove any remaining scraps that could cause future jams. 5. Close all panels securely. Make sure every cover is closed properly to avoid error messages. 6. Reload paper tray. Arrange paper neatly to prevent misfeeds and load it back in the tray. 7. Turn printer back on. Power up to allow the printer to reset and detect any further issues. 8. Clean the print head if necessary. Use the printer's maintenance menu to perform a print head cleaning, which can sometimes be affected by jams. 9. Run the printer's Clear Jam Diagnostic Tool. Many modern printers have a built-in diagnostic tool to guide you through clearing jams. 10. Print a test page. Confirm that the printer is functioning normally and the jam is resolved.